Want the bright outdoor lighting with zero electricity bill? Meet NeoElect Solar Fence Light.
No wiring, no hassle, just solar energy doing the magic. It charges all day and automatically turns on at night.
Let me show you how to install this light in seconds. First step, find a bright spot for maximum charging.
Step 2. Remove the insulation gently so that the inner circuit isn't moved. It protects the battery before use, so make sure to pull it out completely. Now let's test. If it's working, just cover the solar panel with your hand. If it lights up, it's good to go. Remove your hand and it should turn off. If it's not turning on, don't worry. Here's what you can do. First, make sure your hand is fully covering the solar panel and try again. If it still doesn't light up, the battery might be discharged. Just leave it in the sunlight for a full day and repeat the test. Lastly, mount it using 3M tape or the included screws. Zero wiring needed.
That's it, smart lighting and zero electricity.
And thanks to their high quality solar panels, these lights charge automatically in the day and stay up in the night for at least 6-7 hours.
So what are you waiting for? Get yours now and light up your outdoors. For any issues, contact our customer service now.